Welcome to the Doctor's Quiz Challenge with Ochen Jonah. Think you know your medical specialists? From the heart to the skin, the brain to the bones. Each question will test your knowledge. You'll get 4 options, but only one is correct. Can you guess them all? Stick around for the bonus question at the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the challenge. Let's warm up with some easy ones. Can you score 10 out of 10? Which doctor specializes in treating children from birth to adolescence? Pediatrician. Which doctor is trained to operate on patients during surgery? Surgeon. Which doctor treats conditions of the skin, hair, and nails? Dermatologist. Which doctor specializes in treating diseases of the heart? Cardiologist. Which doctor is responsible for treating vision problems and eye diseases? Ophthalmologist. Which doctor specializes in the treatment of cancer? Oncologist. Which doctor cares for pregnant women and delivers babies? Gynecologist/obstetrician. Which doctor deals with the diagnosis and treatment of mental illnesses? Psychiatrist. Which doctor treats bone fractures and other skeletal problems? Orthopedic surgeon. Which doctor specializes in diagnosing and treating lung diseases? Pulmonologist. Nice work! That's the end of Level 1. If you enjoyed this round, hit the subscribe button and get ready for Level 2. Now, it's time to level up. These questions are a little harder. Let's see how sharp you are. Which doctor specializes in treating kidney diseases? Nephrologist. Which doctor studies and treats the digestive system? Gastroenterologist. Which doctor treats disorders of the brain and nervous system? Neurologist. Which doctor specializes in treating ear, nose, and throat conditions? ENT specialist, otolaryngologist. Which doctor treats blood diseases and disorders? Hematologist. Which doctor is a general medical practitioner for all ages? Family doctor. Which doctor studies hormones and glands in the body? Endocrinologist. Which doctor specializes in treating joint, muscle, and autoimmune diseases like arthritis? Rheumatologist. Which doctor diagnoses diseases by examining body tissues and laboratory tests? Pathologist. Which doctor uses imaging tests like X-rays, CT scans, MRI to diagnose illnesses? Radiologist. Well done! That's the end of Level 2. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Level 3 is even tougher. Welcome to Level 3, the hard round. These will really test your brain power. Ready? Let's go! Which doctor specializes in diagnosing and treating allergies and immune system disorders? Allergist/immunologist. Which doctor provides anesthesia during surgery and monitors vital signs? Anesthesiologist. Which doctor specializes in treating conditions related to the urinary tract and male reproductive system? Urologist. Which doctor treats foot, ankle, and lower leg problems? Podiatrist. Which doctor specializes in pregnancy complications and female reproductive health? Obstetrician. Which doctor treats conditions related to aging and elderly care? Geriatrician. Which doctor specializes in treating infectious diseases caused by bacteria, viruses, or parasites? Infectious disease specialist. Which doctor specializes in correcting teeth alignment with braces and retainers? Orthodontist. Which doctor treats gum diseases and performs dental implants? Periodontist. Which doctor studies sleep disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea? Sleep medicine specialist. That was intense! Great job finishing Level 3. Before you go, here's a bonus challenge. Here's a tricky one just for you. No options this time. Guess it in the comments. Which doctor specializes in treating newborn babies, especially premature or sick infants? Drop your answer below and don't forget to subscribe to Ochen Jonah for the reveal and more quizzes every week.